In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link your Outlook calendar to Microsoft Planner. This is a great way to streamline your workflow and ensure all your tasks and meetings are elegantly organized in one place. By the end of this session, you'll be able to manage your calendar and plans seamlessly. To start with, let's log into your Microsoft 365 account. Head over to the Microsoft 365 login page and use your credentials to sign in. Once logged in, you'll find the app launcher in the top left corner. This is where you can access various Microsoft services. For today's task, we'll need to find and click on the Planner application. Simply find its icon and give it a click. Now that we're inside Microsoft Planner, look for the section labeled My Plans. This is where all your current plans are stored. Once there, you'll want to open one of your existing plans. Hover over the plan you'd like to link with Outlook and click on it to open. As the plan opens, you'll see a drop-down menu. Click on it to reveal a list of options related to your plan. You're looking to connect this plan with your Outlook calendar, so find the option that says Add Plan to Outlook Calendar and select it. The next step involves making your plan's schedule visible to others. You'll see an option labeled Publish, Share with Anyone. This is crucial because you want your schedule to be accessible from Outlook. Click on it and your system will initiate the process to integrate the plan with your Outlook calendar. Once you've published the calendar, the link between your planner and Outlook should be established. Now, right within Outlook, you'll be able to see all the tasks and events associated with this plan neatly incorporated into your regular calendar view. This visibility makes managing your work much more efficient, as you won't need to switch between apps constantly to stay on top of your tasks. Finally, go back to Outlook and ensure your newly added plan appears correctly within the calendar. If there are any troubles or adjustments needed, retrace these steps to double check your settings. There you have it, a straightforward way to unify your task management between Outlook and Planner, enhancing your productivity and time management skills. Enjoy the seamless integration and the improved organization of your daily activities. If you found this guide useful, be sure to check out our channel for more tutorials on making the most out of your digital workspace.